Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the nature of marketing and its concept and marketing mix. Earlier we discussed about the scope and the importance about marketing. Let's start. First topic is nature of marketing. Nature of marketing related that if we talk about the nature term which is related or we can say it mean that things will happen, it is in their nature, means whatever you will do there will be significant causes that will happen. So similarly when we talk about the nature of marketing, means whatever you do that some we say some things, yeah, we can say some point some job will happen, some it is like if we do a marketing, okay, when we study about marketing, so nature of marketing is related to that particular special point which will be whatever activity we do there will be happen. Okay, so what kind of activity or what kind of things will happen during of the marketing, there are 4 to 5 point. On that basis the nature of marketing will reflect in your marketing activities and your, okay. So the first point is marketing is the economical function. So that is the nature of marketing, means whatever activity you do in the marketing related to price product, okay, how the effect of marketing, it is the economic function, means we producing a good and with okay, and we handling to the consumer. So that is the long to the from producer to consumer, that is the economical function which is happen in the marketing. Second, that is the legal process, okay, of ownership transfer. Okay, again whatever you are doing a marketing is the legal process. Legal process means if we are producing someone, so that is your ownership, but when you sell it, so that is uh, the owner become a consumer. Okay, that is a legal process. So that will happen in each and every marketing terms. So whatever we the hiring of job relative, we can say, or we can say the promotion activity. Okay, so whatever do when the ownership it changes, I mean ownership transfer, that is the legal process. Like third point is it is the system interrelating. Okay, so the third point is marketing is the interactive business activity, means whatever what we do in the marketing is lead to the consumer, means organization deciding a product and a product according to the consumer, so that's why it leads to the consumer. Fourth point of marketing is the managerial function, means the nature of marketing, whatever we do that is the manager function, means we have to organize planning and analysis, we can say taking a feedback and improve taking care of quality management, that is the all managerial function will happen, so that will happen in the marketing. Okay, so that is also there is the nature of marketing. The fourth point is the social process. So how it is social process, because it's leading to whatever the marketing activity we do or whatever business we doing, okay, by the organization is always trying to improving the living standard of the society, means they always try to giving the more and more, means whatever marketing product they are selling or services are they selling, okay, they always beneficial for the consumer to improve their social status, yeah, social classes. Okay, that is the 5 points through that we can reflect the nature of marketing. The second point is evolution of marketing concept and marketing and the efficient marketing. The marketing concept is very broad way, it is involvement, because the concept it terms it reflects the philosophy and idea. Okay, so philosophy, or we can say the idea which is involved by the input of the others for the human creation. Okay, when talk about the marketing concept, it means the evolving of the each every input to become a greater in itself, means how it is become a good, how it is evolved, and how it is effective. Okay, so that is all about concept. Concept means we can the thinking process of the anything. If we talk about the concept about life, human being, concept about the God, so that is the involvement of each and every point, inputs of thinking or ideas, so that's become a good, better, and okay. So that is the concept. When we talk about the marketing concept, it is study of the modern marketing and the marketing management, because the earlier there was no concept of the marketing. Okay, the marketing concept is the way of life in which all the resources of any organization are mobilized to create a product, okay, and create the product, stimulate and satisfy the consumer need, okay, and gaining the profit. That is the whole concept of marketing. So if we earlier discuss, we can talk about the philosophy, how it is involved. So there is a 4 segments that through the marketing philosophy role. The first one is the production orientation philosophy, the second one is the sales orientation philosophy, third one is the customer orientation philosophy, and fourth one is the social orientation philosophy. So as the first philosophy we discussed, the production orientation philosophy, which is earlier 1930s. Okay, in that time there was the very less production was there, means those who are doing a mass production with, okay, that company or that organization definitely a leader in that product. So at that time they don't require to do the marketing. If their product is good, they can easily sell the product, right? Because earlier was less people are there, okay, consumer also was there. But after that sales orientation philosophy came. That's how it came, because earlier if you produce, you very easy to sell your product, but after 1930s competitors come, means that you are the not only one who producing, okay, so now you have to push your boundaries to sell your product. That is the sales orientation philosophy, is the major focus on the to do some promotion activities and salesmanship. That's it. The third one is the customer orientation philosophy, which comes after the 1970s, where we think about through the customer perception to leading in the market. That's why the customer philosophy came, or that's why the consumer behavior and consumer study become a new scope of the marketing, because that philosophy goes through the customer perception. So when we try to make a product from the customer view, so we have to study about what they want, what they need. So that philosophy, that concept is all about through the customer perception, we can say the customer orientation philosophy. And the last one is the social orientation philosophy. This is all about the after 1980s, okay. So that is all about the social causes which is related to it is, you can understand by the CSR. Means CSR, what is that? That is the new philosophy. They pretend over here that they look the company or organization, they have their social responsibility on, okay, so that you can try to empathize or sympathize or your consumer to buy their product, okay. That is all about, means if you means they're taking care of the human society or humans, okay. They want to try their customer satisfaction, but they also look for the consumer welfare, okay. If you talk about the simple 2-3 things, like economic friendly product is the most predominant example of the social orientation philosophy. Means people also they try to build a product to satisfy the customer also, and that's well that also they also take care of the nature also, environment also. So that is the social welfare, where they understand their social responsibility also, and try to making product according to that. That is all about the philosophy or concept of marketing. And the next topic is the marketing mix. Marketing mix is very simple. Whenever we do marketing, there are lots of activity there. The marketing mix is the segmentation of the tactics we do action to implement the all business activities. So how it is segmented or tactics are, that is divided on the particular mix, divide in the particular of you can say divide in the particular tactics, like they have their own particular own their where the marketing can do their work also. Okay, the first whenever you do the marketing, we need to require to product. Okay, the product. So when we decide the product, what kind of product going to be. Okay, marketing mix into and analyzing all the possibility of the product. Okay, means when we talk about the product, so what kind of product it is, means, and what product life is, means if product is new. Okay, right. Okay, the old product is there, so that is all about because product related to the what kind of a production possibility we can talk about as the marketing mix. Okay, the second one is the pricing. The pricing related to again possibility what kind of price it we should put on the product. It depends on the demand, the supply. Okay, and that also the costing to the company and organization. So we all take care about the points which is to the. Okay, the pricing always there are 4 P's which is related to product, price, place and promotion. The place means the distribution channel. Okay, if we talk about the distribution channel, means where we can place our product, we can. Okay, the availability of product should be there, means there is not enough to make product. Okay, the availability product will be there. Okay, the how you placing up try to availability, or you can go. Okay, so your product available on the market, you should take care of the what distribution channel you are using. Okay, in the retail, that is always about location, means the retail always related to the directly to the customer. If you go for the manufacturer and the wholesaler, they don't give the importance to the location because they not direct dealing with the consumer. But if you talk about the retailer, they always go for the location because they directly. So where we, that is the important point for the placing. And the fourth point is the promotion mix. Promotion mix is related to the all kind of activity to know people know your brand. Okay, know your company, know your about your product. That is all about the promotion. What possibility do we can do in that promotion mix is all about the sales, promotions, advertising. Okay, media houses. Okay, so that is comes under the promotion activities. Thank you all. That is all about unit 4 marketing mix and marketing concept. Okay, in next video we will go for the next unit. Thank you.